In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to use Google Translate offline. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Translate app. Make sure you have already signed in. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Different options will appear. Click on downloaded languages. Over here, you're going to find the list of the languages that you have downloaded. Even though you are not online, you can use these languages. In case you want to add other languages to the downloaded list, all you have to do is click on this arrow option and download it. And once you do that, you can head back. Now you are ready to use Google Translate. All you have to do is type in the text. Now go ahead and select the language that you want to translate to. Once you have selected, you can type in your text over here. And here you can see the translated version below the text. So that's it. This way you can easily use Google Translate offline. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.